Once again, we're staying in our reusingcontent.dwg file. And you can see I've left it in the same state as it was where we created our little lounge chair block here, which is currently on the furniture layer. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to utilize the explode command to explode it back to its original objects. You'll remember in the previous video when we created the block, I said to tick that allow exploding box in the block creation dialog box. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to zoom in a bit closer like that so that we can see the lounge chair block. I'm going to select the block. You can see it's a block, and as you can see, it's all one object, and there's the insertion point I specified like so. I'm then going to go up to the Modify panel on the Home tab and click on Explode. There it is there. And you'll see it goes back to its original objects, the arcs and the rectangles on layer 0. If I select one of those, you'll see they're on layer 0. Hit Escape to deselect. Now, I'm going to utilize the FILLET command to update the arms on my lounge chair, like so. Modify panel on the Home tab, click on the flyout and select FILLET. I'm going to right-click and select a radius of 45 millimeters and press Enter. And then, because they're polylines, I can right-click and go Polyline and just hover over it and click like so. I can then right-click again, repeat FILLET, right-click again, polyline, quick and easy because it remembers the radius, and click again. So what I've done there now is I've exploded my lounge chair block back to its original objects and made some changes. Weirdly enough, those changes make it look like the little Android robot for Android phones, which is not what I planned at all. But it just looks a bit funkier now. It's a nicer looking lounge chair. It's got those nice curved arms on it, and it looks like it would fit into an entrance area of a building, which is where obviously the block is placed at the moment. In the next video, I'm now going to show you how to redefine this as a block, because at the moment, our block is still the block with the square rectangular arms, but we want to redefine that existing block that we created in the previous video to this block with the nice curvy funky arms that we've just created after exploding our block definition in the drawing. So let's move along to that next video and I'll show you how to get this back to our lounge chair block.